In this video, we'll walk you through using your Accu-Chek instant blood glucose meter. Now, if you're worried about learning the steps involved, don't be. This video is divided into small sections, so if you miss anything, you can always go back and watch that part again. Now, the first thing to do is to make sure that you have everything you need to start testing. You should have the following items: an Accu-Chek instant meter, a container of Accu-Chek instant test strips, an Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device, and an Accu-Chek FastClix lancet drum. If you can't find something, or if you need assistance with any of the steps that follow, just contact the Accu-Chek customer service. Next, let's walk through setting up and using the Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device. With this lancing device, there are no individual lancets to handle or dispose of, making it much easier to use. For this, you will need an Accu-Chek FastClix lancet drum. Each drum contains 6 preloaded lancets, so when you're loading one drum, you're actually loading 6 lancets. Remove the cap from the lancing device. Now insert the lancet drum, white end first. Push it all the way in. It should fit snugly into place. This part is important. Do not remove the drum until you've used all 6 lancets. Once you remove it, you cannot put it back in. A drum that has been removed will have a visible red line on the side, as shown here. Now, place the cap back on the lancing device. The next step is to set the penetration depth to match your individual skin type. By turning the dial on the cap, you can select the depth of the lancet. Set the dial to 2 to begin with. You may need to adjust the setting a couple of times until you find the right level for your skin type. The Accu-Chek FastClix lancing device has one-click action. To use it, simply press the release button all the way down, like so. This will lance your finger. After each test, you will need to advance to a fresh lancet. To advance to a new lancet, simply push the white lever back and forth once. The new lancet is now ready to use. You'll notice that the number in the white window has decreased by 1. This tells you the number of lancets that you have remaining. When the number shown is 1, you're using the last lancet. After using it, you need to change the lancet drum. Now you're ready to do a test. First, you'll need to choose a finger to take a sample from. It's best to alternate between fingers, as they can become sensitive over time. Remember to always wash your hands with warm, soapy water and dry them thoroughly before you test. Remove a test strip from the test strip container. And always remember to close the lid tightly. This helps protect the remaining strips. Insert a fresh test strip, metallic end first, into the meter. The arrow in the black circle indicates the right direction. The meter will turn on automatically. A flashing blood drop symbol appears on the display. Now it's time to use the lancing device. Place the pinhole opening firmly against your finger and press the release button all the way down. This will lance your finger. Massage the finger in the direction of the fingertip to help the blood drop form. Touch the yellow edge of the test strip to the blood drop. This wide area for dosing makes it easy to fill with just a tiny drop. When enough blood has filled the test strip, the flashing hourglass symbol appears. Your blood glucose result will be ready in less than 4 seconds. It's just that easy. And now you have your test result. When your test result appears, the arrow shows if your result falls above, within, or below the target range. The target range is represented by the green region of the target range indicator. The arrow will flash if your result falls above or below this range. The target range can be individualized to meet your personal therapy goals. If you press the button, you can view your previous 7, 30, and 90-day averages on your display. 2 important final steps. First, remove and dispose the used test strip. Then advance to a fresh lancet by simply pushing the white lever back and forth once. A new lancet is now ready to use the next time you lance your finger. Then, put everything in the carry case. You'll find more information in the user's manual that came with your meter. If you still have any questions, please visit Accu-Chek.com. Thanks again for choosing the Accu-Chek Instant Blood Glucose Monitoring System.